wish everybody here a very, very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. As per the tradition, Vatal organizes this event year on year on the Diwali night to celebrate Diwali. Actually, not on Diwali night, but to celebrate Diwali amongst Whispering Palms members. So one more event under a new brand name. We call it WTF. You can call it Vatal Trends and Fashion. You can call it Whispering Palms Trends and Fashion. If you recollect, we already have a brand in the name of DWD, which is Dance Whispering Palms Dance. We do this every alternate year. Last year was DWD. This year we have brought back a show which was received very well by the audience some 5 or 6 years back. It's a fashion show. A fashion show by your neighbors, your friends, in case some relatives, but all from this complex. We have a total of 132 participants that you will see on stage today. 132 participants, ladies and gentlemen, who have been practicing to put up a show in front of you for the last 15 days. In fact, yesterday I believe they were practicing till 2 in the morning, so not bad, right? So we believe we have put up a good show. Irrespective, we would request, and I personally would request, that please clap. That's the least one would expect you to do when the kids are on stage, when your friends are on stage, and when your fellow members from the complex are on stage. It's all about encouragement. It's all about giving them the good response for them to not feel shy to come on stage and perform better for all of you, right? We had a sponsor during Navratri, which was Talent Tips. They continue to be our co-sponsor in this event as well. In fact, they have put up a kind of show today they will be putting up for you, where some of our children will be involved in performing in front of you, just to show you what Talent Tips can do to your children. There are some kids who have been trained for the last 4-5 months, but they still continue to perform, which means it has a lasting impact. And some who have just been trained post the Navratri celebration, so they will come and perform in front of you. They will demo a few activities on behalf of Talent Tips. Other than that, we have a chief guest today who will be coming to meet all of you all and wish you all on Diwali. Our MP, Mr. Gopal Shetty, is expected today. He should be here around 8 o'clock. Having said that, I think it's time for showtime. And I would now like to invite my 2 beautiful co-anchors and hostesses for this evening, who's going to take the event further with you all throughout the evening. From my left will walk Ambika Kapoor. Please give a huge round of applause for Ambika. So this is a new trend that Vatal wants to start. We want youngsters to come forward and take up the mic and take up the stage and perform in front of you. So that's Ambika. Thank you, Ambika.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
From the right comes Sadhvi Virkar.
Hello.
I'm Sadhvi. So Sadhvi always keeps telling me that I work for Culture Machine and I work for digital companies and I've worked for various other companies and I've traveled to Hyderabad and I was there. And I've gone to various societies of my friends, but I've never seen something like this. Right, Sadhvi?
Yes, I've never seen like so many people from the same society come together and celebrate. And the fact that, you know, we see each other and we feel so happy, that's something which is unique, and I think we should all give ourselves like a nice round of applause.
Fantastic. I totally agree with you. In fact, I always say this and I repeat every year at Diwali that we have 1290 flats, roughly 1300 flats. If we start visiting each other's house for the Diwali, it will take us a whole year and Diwali will come up again. Which is why we organize this event, which is why you are here. So may I suggest that you look at your right or your left and wish each other Happy Diwali. I think that's the best way to do it. Can you please wish each other Happy Diwali? Maybe you all have not met each other during Diwali. It might be a good idea. Come on. I think that's the best way to do it, right?
Yeah, come on.
What are you feeling shy about?
I don't see you guys wishing each other. Come on, we can.
No, I can't see here. Why don't you look on your right and wish some people there?
Come on, let's wish Happy Diwali.
Here. Right,
Look
left,
to your right,
come
look to your left.
What about y'all? What about you? And so, once again, a happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year, a healthy New Year to everybody. I hand over the stage to these beautiful girls here, Ambika and Sadhvi. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I hope we lead up to your expectations today because you are having really two new anchors today. So hopefully we lead up to your expectations. So let's get up on to the opening dance. Vatal has never started off the show just like that. We tend to create positive vibes and tend to create a positive environment. So let's welcome the dancers who are going to dance for the welcome dance. I would like Sadhvi to tell the participants' name.
Okay, so we have Padma Nair, Shriya Popat and Sonali Bhatia. But. Okay, first clap, yeah. Louder. All right, fine. So can we have them on stage? And let's begin with the opening dance.
We have Sonali Bhatia. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. तालियां सुनाई नहीं पड़ रही हैं और जोर से. Yes, that's the spirit. From Exclusive, we have Kavita Hans. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. Okay, so now we would like to welcome Ritesh Jain, sorry. So please give him a big round of applause. Okay, we would like to call upon Naisha and... Oh, please.
She's so cute. She's looking so
Please give her a big round of applause.
Look at her. She's looking so pretty and cute right now.
We would request you to light the lamp with her, please. तालियां बजती रहें, बंद क्यों हो गई?
Come on, this is just the beginning. We need more energy. And where are the claps?
Keep on clapping, people, please.
हा बोल चालू विषय होता निघाली कुठे जाणार आता
Okay, so we have these 5 wonderful captains.
11 वाजेपर्यंत असणार ठीक आहे
Keep on clapping, please. give them a big round of applause once again. And now we would like to start with the opening dance, give positive vibes and a positive environment. So I would like you all again to give a big round of applause for them. I would like Sabi to say the participants' name, please.
Okay, so there's Padma Nair, there's Shriya Popat, and then there's Sonali Bhatia, who are going to do an opening dance for us right now. So, clap. What happened?
नेक्स्ट कम थांब जरा अरे तुझी आता बोल कुठे पाहिजे तुला नेमका
सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी जागे माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मागे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
Keep on clapping.
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धी विनायका
Give it up. I got my bong in my cup and I'm about to bust it up. Give it up. Hey, yo. Give it up. Let's ride. I got my bong in my cup and I'm about to bust it up. Aya dekho Maya Bappa Moria. Nachu pehla jaye.
Yeah, band now. Please keep on clapping.
है सबसे चंगे कर देंगे दंगे तू है तो डर है क्या दिल से कहेंगे जो है दिल ने कहा कि साडी दिल भी तू साडी जान भी तू साडी शान भी तू मां भी तू अरे मां भी तू बदनाम भी तू साडा दिल भी तू साडी जान भी तू साडी शान भी तू Now move your head around, move your head around, you know you got my back. Now move your head around, move your head around, move your head around, you know you got my back. Hey boy, play that drum.
Which reminds me, we have a lot more coming up. We have like a nice fashion show for you guys. So before that, Ambika, अभी क्या होने वाला है?
अभी आई थिंक हमें रैम्प वॉक सबकी धीरे धीरे शुरू करवानी पड़ेगी.
बट ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, इतना आसानी से बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता.
ओ अच्छा.
Yeah, there is a password, okay, which we have and we are going to give you the third link to it. So only after we say it all together is when the show starts.
Oh, really? You have a password?
Yeah.
Please share it with us, which
So-
remains no more a password.
Yeah, so I have lights, she has camera, and you guys have
Fashion! Yay! Intelligent! intelligence audience.
Okay, so I'm gonna say light, she's gonna say camera, and you guys will have to say fashion. And that's when we'll tell you what the first show is all about.
Okay, so let's start.
Lights.
Camera. Nice सुनाई पड़ा जोर से और. That's the spirit. Okay. So that was a passcode, and if you don't say that with us, you don't get to see the ramp walks. Okay? Is that clear? Yay! Okay, so now we have the next act coming up, which is related to superheroes. Am I right?
Yes. So आप लोग सबका सुपर हीरोज अभी कौन कौन है?
You
Who are
have
your favorite
superheroes. I think the boys have superheroes, right?
Spider-Man.
Okay, so I think all age categories
Batman.
have. 1 minute, I'll come to you guys. Okay. 1 minute.
Spider-Man, Iron Man, Shaktiman.
Shaktiman. Very Indian.
They have a lot of them, okay? So I think each age category has its own superhero. Okay, so what do you think these superheroes are okay as in?
यार ये सारे सुपर हीरोज तो मतलब कॉमिक बुक्स एंड फिल्मों में होते हैं, राइट?
Oh really?
We really need a real life super hero जो हमारा हनुमान नगर का ट्रैफिक
Oh yeah, the superhero who clears the Hanuman Nagar traffic in the morning and lets you reach your workplace is the
Don't
best
we?
superhero. Don't you all agree with me? Oh yes. So I would like to welcome all the superheroes of Vatal Trends in Fashion. Please give them a big round of applause.
I'm going to introduce them. That we have Ishika, Urshita, Nandini Menon, Tavishi, Mansha, Avani, Priyamvada, Nandini Mehrotra, Rishabh, Ronak, Aman, Granth, Vansh, Sarthak, Prerit, Parth. Oh my god, like look at the amount of superheroes we have.
So we have a bunch of superheroes of Whispering Palms. So please give them a big round of applause.